You won't believe what's watching you at this resort. Riviera Nayarit, wildlife, my friends. Gentle waves in the distance. Lounge chairs, full and half full and some empty. Very few empty. Quiet pools. Well, you come to a luxury resort expecting sunshine, ocean waves, maybe a margarita by the pool. Okay, maybe several. But here at Villa del Palmar Flamingos, there's something else watching. And no, it's not the staff. Guests laying towels down, enjoying the sun, enjoying the kids splashing. But guess what? Iguanas, they're not hiding. They're not running away. In fact, they seem completely at home. Look at this. Prehistoric skin, slow, deliberate movements. It's like a tiny dinosaur just decided to join your vacation. And then they move. Not fast, not aggressive, just curious. They're cocking their heads, they're watching you. You'll see them wander past lounge chairs, pause in the sun. They're up on the islands in the pool. Sometimes, my friends, you turn around and they're just a few feet away from you. Iguanas basking in the sunlight, regulating their body temperature on the rocks in the sun. Palm trees beautiful above. These are green iguanas. Yes, they are native to this region of Mexico. They love warmth, sunlight, and yes, resort landscaping makes the perfect habitat. And guess what, my friends? The hotel plants the kind of plants that are nutritious for them to eat. And they are in the pool areas. No shells on the beach, but plenty of reptiles by the pool. So, I'll be honest. The first time one looked at me like this, I wasn't sure if I was relaxing or being evaluated. But after a while, you realize something. They're not here to bother you. They want to pause, give you your space. They want to go around you. They want you to wait. They want to wait until you move away from them. They're just sharing the space. It makes this place feel even more wild, my friends. Mexico. This is the charm, I think. More real, more connected to nature. Footprints on the beach sand. Amazing. So next time, my friends, you are lounging by the pool in Riviera Nayarit, take a look around. Because you might not just be on vacation. You might be visiting their home. And I'm telling you, it is a delight to look around and see them. They're not going to come at you. They're not going to want to be seen. But they're going to want to know what pretty fruit you have in your drink. But no, please don't feed them. These are wild animals. They're to be seen, not to come close. And if you love discovering unexpected moments, my friends, like this while traveling, subscribe for more from Where Wendy Travels, because sometimes the best part of a resort isn't on the brochure. I'll see you again real soon, my friends, because there is so much more coming. Amazing creatures. He is going to swim. Wait. He's going to swim. He is coming over the wall because there's a person in his way to where the food is. Look. Oh, look. Oh, amazing. Oh my goodness, these creatures are absolutely adorable. And look, he's where the food is. He's still green and beautiful. Oh my goodness, these are dinosaurs. Look at his face, look at his tongue. These guys are dinosaurs. My friends, if you don't like them, ignore them. You'll never even notice them unless you're looking for them. They are amazing creatures. They are harmless. And look at this. They're friendly to everything they know is not going to be harmful to them. My friends, Mexico resorts, amazing places. You gotta come. From Riviera Nayarit, here in beautiful Mexico. And we'll see you again real soon. Have a great day. Bye.